How to make money on Wealthsimple. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make money on Wealthsimple, here are some ways by which you can do it. Step 1 would be using a Wealthsimple cash account. This way, you can have access to high interest savings. You can deposit your money into the Wealthsimple cash account to earn interest. This way, you can get a minimum of 2.75 interest with no monthly fees and 1% cashback on your spending in stock, crypto or cash with the Canada's highest interest checking amount. So this is one way by which you can earn. Likewise, step 2 would be investing in stock market. You can use the Wealthsimple's investing platform to buy and sell stocks. This way, you have potential to earn through two steps. First is capital gains, second is dividends. By capital gains, which means selling stocks at a higher price than the purchased. Likewise, you can earn periodic payouts from companies you invest in. Another process is by trading the cryptocurrencies. But we have to be quite mindful of the risk involved with volatile crypto markets. Another thing would be trying advanced strategies. However, this is only recommended for the experienced investors. You can engage in trading options to speculate and stock price movements, and also buy and sell stocks or cryptos within the same day to capitalize on small price changes. So, which method should you choose? If you want to go for a low risk option, it would be cash account for stable interest income, while for high risk option, you can invest in stocks, cryptos, or trade actively. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.